Welcome back to another episode of Bishop Massive Construction. Continuing on with our windmill project. Last episode we cut the square and now we are going to mark out the 16 evenly spaced blades. So, this is where the maths without numbers come in. So first of all we're going to find the middle of our square. No numbers required, okay? You just get a rule and a scribe and you go from one corner, hold the rule steady and across to the other corner. There you go. And repeat on the other bit. And then there you go. We have the middle and we haven't taken any measurements. So then we need to put a center punch in the middle, but to get the center punch we need to put it on a soft surface so we get the perfect size little crater. So center punch in the middle, lean it over, make sure it's touching, and then just a soft tap. Right, now we're going to make a, with that divot, we need to just check that you're going to be touching just on the inside on all sides, so it's not going to be perfect, but it's just on the inside, just quite a bit on the inside, a bit more. Alright, so there you go. Now, the secret to using a divider or a compass in maths is to hold it on an angle for starters and see if you can turn the paper, or the metal in this case, and keep them still. Perfect. So now I don't know how well it shows up, but you can see we've got a circle from that point there. Then we need to do more divots where the line crosses over. So come in, get a good look at that. So where it crosses over, we go all the way around, but I'll just speed it up for you. Now we're going to find the middle. It's in quarters now. We're going to eighths. So just get your dividers and make sure it's just over halfway. So there's half from my side. But we're going to make it just a little bit bigger, and then just go one and the other. And you can see it there. Okay. And on the other side. Always do your divots. Good spot for your dividers to sit in. And go. And now, get a close look. I don't know if you can see it with that light. That, if we run our rule through there, across the middle, we will have it in. Goes from quarters, now we'll be in eighths. Okay? Like that. Now, you'd go all the way around, but speeding it up. I now repeat, you just keep repeating this process of divot there and divot where that new line crosses it over the circumference of the circle. And so that is an eighth. Now we're going to divide that into half again, which will make a 16th. So every time you do it, you just make the dividers a little bit smaller. Now, you can set this to whatever you want. All you got to do is keep it the same. That's the secret. You can't, once you set it, you can't adjust it. So, there you go there. And there you go there. So we've got those two crossover points where the arcs cross each other. We just run the ruler through that and through that. Okay, there you go. So now that is a 16th. Obviously you'd continue all the way around, but I'm not going to bore you with that now. So that's part one of sectioning your circle into 16 even compartments. Next part will be coming soon. Thanks.